Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and we're going on a nature walk today. So this is my mom's property. She has 10 acres and she only has 1 acre cleared off that she actually lives in. This is her house right there. And yeah, we're just going up to where I used to live on a trailer on top of the hill. No one's lived up there for years and really I hadn't even had chance to get out in the woods that much, so I figured I would go with my girls today and we would do a little nature walk and I can share some past stories. So if you're interested in seeing where I used to grow up, then just keep on watching. Alright, we can't go up the driveway like we used to. This used to be a driveway, so we'll go the other way. We'll just go through the woods. Find a clear spot. Come on. I know how to walk in the woods, y'all. Y'all don't know how. See? It's clear through this way.
Okay. Get behind me.
Say hey.
I want you to be safe. Hey. What is it? Okay, let's see if there's any danger. Wait a minute. Wait, Mama.
What?
I asked the one. Bit by a snake, aren't we?
I don't know what that is. Come on, it's just woods. Worst thing you gotta worry about is snakes.
Oh, fox or anything. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is big.
I hope I can find the trailer going this way because this is not a driveway.
Yeah, I hope. Good thing I have these binoculars so we can see where.
Ugh.
You okay, Rita? Hold on to my hand.
Oh, let's get through here. Just don't let it scratch your eyes or face, okay? We're gonna have to get.
Okay.
Well, y'all lucky y'all got glasses. It can't scratch your eyeballs as easy as mine.
But it can't go.
Here's a clear spot. Ow.
What?
If you need to, put your shirt over your face. Oh shit. Woo! It's really clear up here, y'all. It's where the big trees are, so it's cleared off. The good thing is when you're making noise, you might not see deers or animals or anything, but you scare off the snakes.
Yeah, that's good. Or they'll just come and we'll be. I found a hole. A snake hole.
Probably.
Oh, no, I hope we don't get.
He'll stay in his home if you don't bug him. I need to do this more often. I'm already breathing heavy. Oh shoot. Oh, I think I see the old trailer through the woods. Y'all might not can see.
Let me see.
See it over that way?
I
Can't see it on the camera, but I can see it, I think. If we can get to it.
I don't see it. Wait a minute. What are you talking about? The animal.
No, not animals. The whole trailer I lived in.
Oh, the trailer.
I think that's it. Yeah. If we can get to it, starting to get a lot of briars.
Whoa! I hope we don't get lost. I'm not going to see the house. Good thing I have no flashlight. Oh, and
Looks like a little hole right there where something lives in.
and your goggles. I have my flashlight. Get your goggles. I do have my goggles.
All right.
I want to do this. I don't think I need my flashlight. I want to do this.
Oh, there it is. Holy shit. Where am I? Trying to remember where I'm at compared to. Oh, there's our old fence. Y'all see it right there? It's a wadded up fence that we use to keep the dog inside.
Wait a minute.
Oh, this is like right in front of the house. So we should have like a peach tree somewhere this way.
Oh, shit.
Hey, is that a ball?
Oh, yeah, it is a ball.
You want to get it?
Yeah.
Be careful. Don't get a wire in your face.
I'll come
Not a wire, but briar.
You don't have to hold it, Elena. I'm holding it. You got it?
Is it still aired up?
Yeah.
Look at your hands. Is it black?
No.
Oh.
Wait a minute. Do you have this when you since was a kid?
That's probably Glenn's old ball because he lived here after me.
Oh. Okay, Elena. Okay. Yeah.
You want to show the camera the ball?
Okay.
After years of being up here without anybody playing it with it?
Oh.
Yeah.
There's all crusty spots. Wait a minute.
What was it?
It was a spider.
It's okay. It's okay.
I was thinking of
It's okay.
something inside it.
It's okay. What kind of spider? It was probably a harmless kind of spider. It's okay. Ooh, it's really deflated, ain't it?
Come on.
I'll pick it up.
Come on.
Ooh, it feels like it was in a fire almost. I can't pick it up with one hand. Roll it up my leg. Here. It flew off. You scared it too. You scared the spider off. He's not on there. All right.
I don't really want
Let's try to get to the trailer now.
Hmm.
See the trailer?
Oh my god.
See the little bit of edge right through there.
Let's go.
Go, Cindy, go. Go, Cindy, go.
Hmm? Ow. Okay, Lena?
Go, go, Cindy. We'll make our way. You go.
Okay.
You show us the way.
You know the way? Duck.
Ooh, be careful of your face, baby.
Duck. Okay. Whoa, I haven't even seen
There's the trailer.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, satellite direct TV dish. Look at this, y'all. It's like a little miniature jungle gym. I used to do pull-ups on this.
Whoa.
I used to...
Careful.
Go ahead.
Can we go inside the trailer?
You want to climb on it, Cindy?
Okay, I'll try. Just hold my flashlight.
You want to go over there, Lana?
Yeah. Okay, then. Can you hold my ball, please? Okay. Scared of this ball. Oh my god. Oh, so weird. I don't want to keep it.
Ooh, be careful of your butt with that bridge.
Okay, Lena,
You can climb up it too. See the little step spots?
Oh.
Put your feet there. Be careful.
My shoes are stuck. Come down, Elena. Come down.
You see the big rocks near these trees? Mama used to have a flower bed right here. Be careful.
Come on, Lena.
Look, you see the big rocks?
Go in the
Look,
trailer.
Cindy. You see the big rocks all around this tree?
Yeah.
Mama used to plant flowers right there.
Whoa.
And that one too. These are actually flowers that she planted right here.
Whoa.
And there used to be a peach tree somewhere behind this.
Elena.
This is an apple tree. Doesn't have any apples on it right now. What? A briar? I mean,
yeah,
briar.
Oh. He doesn't know my flashlight.
Oh, flashlight here. Yeah, this is an apple tree right here.
I have apple sauce. Let's get.
We're not going to go in that way.
Why?
We never used that door. It never did open good. That used to be my bedroom window. That end was my mama's. The little one was the bathroom. That one was a spare, my room, playroom. That's the living room.
Mama?
Yeah. And the kitchen is right there where that vent is, I think. Yeah, that's my old swing set. I got that when I was 2 years old for my 2nd birthday.
I want to go in.
Well, we got to go around this way to get in anyway.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. How are you supposed to get in there anyway?
There's the front door, which is in the back, but... Oh, shoot. Yeah, this used to be my swing set when I was 2. So, how old am I? I'm 30 now. 28 years old.
Does it still work?
Does it look like it?
No.
Go ahead, it works.
No, it doesn't. It does work. That's the same thing.
See if you can push it down.
Okay.
Try to climb on top of it and push it down some more.
Nope.
You can't flip it or nothing?
Nope. Nope.
There's some bricks.
It is wiggly though. Cindy, can you hold the ball? No, I'm sorry.
Y'all want to go inside?
Yeah, we want to go inside. Yeah. Let's see what it's like.
Some old shoes.
Old shoes? Who's that then?
Oh, dang. Huh. I wonder if that tree fell on the house since last year. There's a power line, y'all.
What? Wait a minute.
Power line fell.
Oh.
I wonder if I can zoom in. Yeah, hell yeah.
Cindy.
Power line fell
Mama, look.
on the ground.
Look. What?
Huh.
It's
an old VHS tape.
What did it play?
Movies.
Oh, probably black and white.
What?
Probably black and white.
No, I ain't that old. I ain't that old.
Come on, Lena.
Oh, crap. I'm going to have to get through here. Y'all be careful. If y'all see... Oh, shoot. There's the box.
Where?
The power box. If y'all see a power line on the ground, do not get near it.
Okay.
Especially do not touch it.
Hey, is that the water thing? Is that the water?
No, it's the power, like electric. Like power.
Oh my
Like light.
God. Oh, what is that?
Shoot.
Is that? It looks like a power. What is that?
No, that's just a pipe. I don't know what kind of pipe, but it's not.
Yeah, it's a water pipe for you.
Alright, y'all see that? Don't touch that.
Okay.
Go this way.
Okay, Lena.
Stay away from the power box.
Don't touch that. Come on, Lena.
Huh. My nephew's old Pokemon thing.
Whoa, it's
I wonder if he'll want it again. Hey, we're going to take this down and wash it for Glenn. Yes, Pokemon! You can keep it if you want to.
Oh, you keep it too.
There's my old steps to the house. And now,
Let's go inside.
oh, hey, now when we go inside, let's see if I can show them. I can't even show them the front of the house. It's so woodsy. When we go in here, the floors might be rotted out. So watch your step. It could cave in, and then you'll be on the ground. Okay? Okay. I think that's a power line right there.
Yep.
So don't step on it.
Yep. No, it's a power line. What? No.
There's a hole in the floor.
What? What's there? Oh my God.
Hey, there might be birds in here, so don't freak out too bad if they scatter. Might be bats.
Bats?
Yeah. This ain't our house no more. This is nature's house now. Be careful. Take very slow steps.
Ew, no, too. I know.
That used to be my playroom. My sister lived here after me, so that's her vanity. She left here. There was mold, so she had to leave, and no one's lived here since. Here's my nephew's punching bag. Their old stuff they just left.
Punching bag.
Ripley's Believe It or Not. Here's the house. That used to be the wall we kept pictures.
Pikachu.
Pictures.
Pikachu will. Pikachu.
Oh yeah, we could sew him up, couldn't we?
Yeah, probably.
Get him.
You must have really.
Oh, I'll wash him.
Pikachu.
Get him.
You
You can put them by the door if y'all don't want to, Oh shit, there's a wasp. Oh, there's a bird's nest. Ooh, there's holes in the wall. Or ceiling with a grasshopper thingy.
Oh my gosh.
That used to be where the air unit used to be, the air conditioner. Oh, look at all the wasps and the things.
I don't want to be stung by a wasp again. I hurt, Cindy.
Here's a Pokemon movie, but it's no good anymore.
Oh.
Look, y'all, snake skin.
Oh my God, snakes. Oh my gosh, that is so... Get it out of here, bro.
Bro?
Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh my God. But don't pick it up.
There's that door that we saw at the front.
Be quiet.
Here's the kitchen. Y'all hear that?
Hear what?
There's an old cat bowl.
Oh, cat. What?
And old Coke. Empty. Ew, what is that? Is that pickles?
Ew. Ew. Old pickles. I like pickles, but not that.
I actually did like that.
Oh my gosh, I would like that if I lived here.
Look at the bird nest.
Where? That.
Right there.
Oh my gosh. Wait a minute.
It's a big bird nest.
Wait a minute. Bullets live in here?
Yeah, it's their house now.
Oh, and I see a body.
Alright, I'm about to open this door. I don't know what's going to be in it, but it used to be my bedroom.
Is anything in it?
I don't know yet. Nothing that I can see or hear.
Oh, you must have really missed this house.
Oh, there's a bird nest up there.
I don't know. It's old though. There's nothing on it. Mama, do we have to keep this ball in our hands?
No.
Can we leave it here?
I don't care what you do, baby.
But I'm gonna leave my boy up there. You can barely see anything in this. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, there's wasps in here too. Keep feeling something on my hand.
And the roof broken again.
What is that? Is that poop?
Oh, that's a spider's nest.
That's what a spider's nest looks like? It looks like poop.
Oh my God. Yeah. It's full of webs, I can see. There's an egg inside. Oh my God, there's a wasp on the window.
Yeah, let's get out. It's hot in here.
Yeah, it is.
Go.
Probably nothing. Nothing. I dropped Pikachu because I thought something was on it. Ew, is this a diaper?
It's not used.
Ew. Oh my God.
Ooh, keys.
Keys? Who y'all going to give that? Whose keys is that?
Probably Tracy's those keys.
Oh, let's give it to him.
There's a baby bottle. I don't even know whose baby bottle that is. I think the snake skin's cool. You want the snake skin?
No!
It's okay to pick up. You want me to pick it up?
No.
It's okay.
Snakes. Small snakes.
People make boots out of it.
boots?
Yeah.
I want to feel this one. Mama, look. I found a cat toy. Oh my god, that feels
We should
so
show Mama. She hates snakes. Ooh, give that to Oreo.
Yeah!
Okay.
Can you put it in your
Ooh, feel a little bit of breeze. Let's get out of here. It's so hot.
Yeah, just put it down. I think it's too much. No. I'm sweating.
I guess I'll put this on my sleeve.
Ew.
Oh, wait. We didn't look at the other end.
Oh, yeah.
Let me go first, just in case.
Oh, my
Elena,
God.
get away from the door. There's a lot of wasps. You're swarming them up.
Oh, my God.
Cindy, shut up. Get behind me. You're swarming of wasps, so go very slowly and don't look up. Shit. Let's open this door.
You okay?
Yeah, I just heard him by my ear. Scared me. There used to be the washer part. Wait, that's the washer part. That's the dryer part. Oh, shit. Can this move? I don't want to move it.
Oh my God, look.
Oh my God. That's what. There's a possum. There's a freaking possum.
A possum?
Yeah, we're not going in here. Oh, there's a possum.
Will it hold us?
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Look at his ears move. Okay, I think we should get out.
Possum?
No, they'll attack you.
Really?
Yes, they will.
They
Let's
can?
go. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
Let's go out the door.
Okay, you first.
Out the door. Me first? Okay.
This house is creepy. Maybe it's haunted.
Watch out for the hole.
Maybe it's haunted. Nature belongs to.
Oh my gosh, did y'all see the possum?
No.
You didn't?
Oh,
Do you want to go look at him?
yeah. Yes. You.
Go very slowly.
I don't want to see the possum. I want to though.
Put all your stuff down out of your hands.
Okay. Oh my.
Go very slowly and don't go close to him because he will attack.
Wait a minute. Let me use my call. So. I don't see him. Still don't see him. Don't even go near him. Like,
Go.
just get.
You have to step over that thing.
Is he under that thing? Oh my God.
He's right there. I can see his fur. Step over it, baby. Slowly and quietly.
We're on the walk right here.
Do you see his fur? He's right there in the corner of that room.
Mommy.
Do you see his fur? Go over there. Get closer. You can go to the door.
I think I see him.
Get closer. You can go to the door. No farther than that.
Okay, I see him.
You don't want to see his face?
Is he under that?
No, baby. Go in there. Go to the doorway. It's okay. Do you see him? No, baby. He's in the room. Do you see him?
Okay, I see him.
Do you see his face? He's cute, ain't he? Yeah. But he's really dangerous.
He's gray and white.
Yeah. He's like a big mouse, ain't he?
Yeah. Maybe it's a rat.
There's wasps, baby. Look down when you're getting out and go slowly.
Hey, look. It's Easter things.
Where's your stuff? Yeah, it's Easter stuff. Come on, baby. Crouch down. Go out slowly because the wasp.
Oh my. I'm so scared. Jenny.
I'll show you the video since you didn't get to see him, okay?
Huh? Wait a minute. What?
Come on, baby.
Wait a minute.
Look, this is the old storage place we used to have.
Oh my God.
It's okay. It's just a box you smushed. You see that branch? Oh, shit. Look at all the wasps. We need to get away from the... Come on. Let's go this way.
I saw it earlier. I accidentally looked up.
It's okay. They didn't sting you. Trying to move this, but it's not moving.
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.
What is so... Oh, there's Mama's flowers.
Oh,
We need to come up here one day and dig it up and plant it on ours, don't we?
Yeah, totally. Let's do it.
Look, this is where we used to keep our crap.
Did you just say the food?
Crap?
Yes.
And the water heater.
Mama. Oh my, it's all broken down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just step over it, baby. I don't think it works anyways. There's the toilet.
What toilet? I'll see the toilet.
Right there by that tree.
What tree? Oh, there's the toilet. I see him.
Okay, right here's glass. So y'all be careful. Step around it or over it.
Oh my. They probably
Oh, here's a softball.
softball?
Be careful. This is it called barbed wire? Yeah.
Softball. Oh, I already got that. I already got one.
Yeah, I don't care.
Yeah, we don't need that.
I like
I
snakes.
stole it. Oh, I stole. I didn't mean to.
There's the pasture next to the house. I used to feed horses and stuff in. There's some beautiful flowers my mama planted. I never even really noticed those. Really beautiful though.
Oh,
We need to come up here and dig them up, don't we?
yeah.
Whew, it's hot.
What?
Y'all ready to try to find the way home?
Yeah. Good thing I have this. Good thing I have this.
All right, that's the end of this little nature walk. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing all of that. We got to see possums. You got to see the old trailer I used to live in. You get to see the woods that I grew up wandering in. And yeah, it used to be cleared off. People hadn't lived here in years. But yeah, some changes since last year. The power pole broke completely down. A branch fell and broke into the what used to be my mom's bedroom. Now a possum lives there. Got to see some new bird nests. And we found Pikachu and forgot what that one's called. Which one? What? Snorlax. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Rescue is Love, for inspiring this video for me to do. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all buddies next time. Bye.